Hi, it's Weston and today I'm here to talk about how I produce a YouTube series. You may have seen that I am producing Shawn Wood's new YouTube series, House Trap Monday. And with this series is a huge quality bump. One of them is he now has a cameraman, who is me, and a fancy camera and gimbal so that I can film him going around houses and going around in tight spaces. So this is the camera setup that I used to film the last episode of House Trap Monday. So this big giant thing in my hand, obviously this is a camera, but this is a gimbal. This smooths out camera motion so I can walk around and go around following Shawn or whatever, just filming anything, and I can smoothly shoot video. Isn't that amazing? Ooh. And then we use a wide angle lens because we're a lot of times down in basements, we're down in little rooms, we're running around filming in tight spaces. So in the last video, I used a 20mm lens on there, and that's a nice wide angle lens so that we could see the entire room where Shawn was filming. Sometimes for B-roll, which is extra video cut on top of the main video, or A-roll, we will sometimes use... Someone's making coffee. Okay, it's done. Sometimes we'll use a tighter lens, like 50 or 55mm, which zooms in a little bit more. You get some separation and some cinematic look. We'll use that for B-roll sometimes. B-roll is video that is played on top of the A-roll, which is the regular talking head. Like this right now is A-roll, and here is B-roll. You can see the B-roll is cinematic edited over top of the A-roll, which is the main video. So sometimes we will use a tighter lens, zoomed in a little bit more, but for our A-roll, we generally will use a wide angle lens. And you can see on top of the camera here, we have a shotgun microphone. Now, this is what we use to record the audio. So Shawn is running around through the rooms and I'm basically following him around, and this microphone gets good audio when it's pointed at him and it picks up some of the room ambience, but he also wears a lapel microphone, which is wireless, which goes to my audio recorder. So the wireless one picks up the deep chest voice really good, and I actually mixed that in with the shotgun microphone, put them both together in Adobe Premiere Pro, and then edited the sounds together, and then leveled everything off for YouTube standards, and it sounds really good. Because we don't have a boom operator, so we don't have someone going around, and I don't know if we even could if we could have a boom operator, because we have low ceilings a lot of times, we've got tight spaces, and he's going all over the place. So I think the audio sounded really good with a shotgun microphone on top and a lapel microphone on his shirt. The music we used was from epidemicsound.com. Make sure you use the link in my description and you'll help me out. It is an affiliate link, so keep that in mind, but it'll help me out at no extra cost to you. Go check it out, get a free trial, and see if you like it. I really like it. I've been using it for years. That's how I add that little extra spice, that little extra flair. Flair West Media. To all of my YouTube videos and all of my client videos, I have the $50 commercial subscription so that I can whitelist any video on any platform basically, and I have used Epidemic Sound for hundreds and hundreds of videos since I got it. I use it for my real estate work, my weddings, my client work, everything. They've got thousands of sounds, they've got thousands of songs, all my sound design, all my sound effects I get from Epidemic Sound, all my music. It's awesome. Go check it out, link in the description. Make sure you use that link, please, I'm begging you. Also, a really useful tool we use to see what kind of mouse activity is going on while we are not there is a trail camera, which will record when it detects motion. So there's not a whole ton of video that has to be like looked through, because that would be pretty tough to go through like 40 hours of solid video trying to find mouse activity. So Shawn uses a motion capture trail camera. So anytime it senses something walking up to the camera lens, it'll start recording. Now, in this episode, we didn't get too much mouse activity, but we did get this amazing video of me waving at the trail camera, and I mean, I have to be honest, that is a pretty good video. But yeah, it is an excellent camera for monitoring to find out where mouse are coming from. And if you're interested, go to Shawn Wood's channel. His link is going to be the top link in the description. So head on over to Shawn's channel and go to his Amazon affiliate store, and you can find the trail camera for yourself. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like the video, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos on how to do filmmaking, photography, and all sorts of stuff like that. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you check out Shawn's channel, link in the description. Unless you're coming from Shawn's channel, then subscribe to me. And also, make sure you use my link in the description to get a free trial for Epidemic sound. I will see you in the next video.